In this example, we're going to learn to use function notation. So this says find f of 4 for f of x equals 2x plus 3. All right, so what this means is when x is 4, what is y? That's what you're actually looking for if it was a point and you were going to plot it on a graph. When x is 4. So we're going to take this 4 and we are going to plug it in where we see the x, okay? You can also plug it in here. We're going to say f of 4 equals, instead of 2 times x, we take out the x, we put in a 4. So we do 2 times 4 plus 3. Do your multiplication first. 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 plus 3 is 11. So f of 4 is equal to 11. Now, if you were plotting that on a graph, that would be 4, 11. That's not what they're asking us for right now, but that's what it would be if we were plotting it on a graph. Okay, let's look at the next one. On this one, it says find h of negative 5 for h of r, where it equals r cubed minus 2r squared plus 5. Okay, so this time we're taking the negative 5 and we're plugging it in for all the r's. So we're going to plug it in here and make that negative 5 cubed. We're going to plug it in here and make that negative 5 squared. Okay, everywhere you see an r. So here's what it would look like. Negative 5, remember to put it in parentheses, cubed, minus 2 times negative 5 squared plus 5. Well, negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5 is negative 125. Remember, we start with parentheses, which we didn't have. Exponents come next. I'm doing the exponents now. Negative 5 cubed is negative 125. Minus 2 times, we need to do this. Negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. And then plus 5. So what we did in that step is we took this and this. We cubed it and we squared it. So now what we have left is we've got addition, subtraction, and some multiplication. The next thing we need to do is the multiplication here. So I'm going to do 2 times 25, and that gives me this 50. Okay. Now we have addition, subtraction. We just go from left to right. Negative 125 minus 50, and then we add 5 to that. So our answer is going to be negative 170. So in other words, on the graph, when x is negative 5, y is negative 170.